what happens.
Why?
This what happens when you don't do your hair at home like you're supposed to. And you just have to do it in the car.
And you get wet.
And you get everybody in the car wet. Ugh. Tiana, you okay? Been working at Afro. This is how my day is starting. I had to pick up my other daughter, Tiana. You got Sierra here. And of course, Stephanie's doing her hair. Getting ready for the beach life. She said she guesses. So. How many swimsuits you bought? I need to take a previous swimsuits too.
Oh.
Can't be having nothing too crazy. Stephanie is slide. Stephanie, this one, she will slide some crazy stuff in on you in a heartbeat. You won't even realize it's crazy until after the fact. Like, who bought that? Then she'll say something like, "You did, Dad," and I'm sitting there like, "What?" I don't even remember buying it. I'll watch out for that one. Okay, so we're sitting here having a discussion on what we're gonna have for lunch, and my daughter Sierra and my other daughter Tiana said, that's my stepdaughter. Everybody's slim chickens. Everybody's saying which chicken sandwich is better. So we're having a discussion here. Now I say that Chick-fil-A is the best. They're saying that it's another spot. What are you talking about? Slim Chicken. So what we're gonna do is we're going to try a couple different sandwiches just to see how it works out. And to see which one or which place has the better chicken sandwich. We're gonna have one sandwich. We're gonna cut it up, 4 pieces, blindfold them, and then we're gonna see which one works. All right, let's get our first stop, Slim Chicken. All right, so we're pulling into our second spot, which is Popeyes. Love that chicken from Popeyes. We're gonna get this sandwich right here, and we're gonna see what's up. So second spot, Popeyes. What's after this one? What did we decide on? Sonic got a chicken sandwich? I thought we said, did we say Sonic or we going, what we going?
Zaxby's or Chick-fil-A? Zaxby's.
Zaxby's.
Do we get fries tonight? Chick-fil-A is healthier.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Can I get a chicken sandwich, please?
Classic or spicy?
Let's go with classic. So we're at our third location, which is Chick-fil-A. So we're gonna run in here and get the Chick-fil-A sandwich. So we're almost done. We got 2 more spots. After Chick-fil-A, we're going to where?
Did you know if you give them these, you get a free soft serve?
A free what?
Soft serve ice cream.
I don't want no soft serve ice cream.
Me too, I do.
It's ice cream at the house. Goodbye.
Chick-fil-A ice cream be busting.
Goodbye. Goodbye. All right, so we left Chick-fil-A and we are here at our, what is this star? 1, 2, 3. What spot is this? 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th spot. So we're at Zaxby's now, getting the Zaxby's chicken sandwich. And we're gonna see, what's wrong, Sierra?
Slim chicken. Slim chicken.
We got Slim Chickens, Popeyes.
Yeah, Popeyes.
Yeah. Chick-fil-A, and now we get Zaxby's. After we get Zaxby's, it's gonna be McDonald's. The last one. McDonald's is the last one. Then we're gonna hit to the house, chop them up, and we're gonna see who has the best chicken sandwich. We'll see. You said not McDonald's? She said not McDonald's. Cece, what you say? Who you think? Where you at? I can't see your face.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A? All right, we'll see. We're gonna see. We got the last stop called McDonald's. We're gonna go and get a 1 McDonald's sandwich. Mac? It's not Mac. It's Mick.
They just say it.
It's,
Tiana's family just says it because they think it's funny.
they think it's funny, McDonald's? Okay, we can go inside because I'm not standing in this line. This line is dummy. So,
No, them having a 40-piece chicken nugget.
a 40 piece.
That's what it's saying. A 40-piece chicken nugget.
Alright, are y'all coming inside with me?
Yeah.
Okay, Sierra said yes. So Tiana, that means you have to go inside.
Oh.
Because I cannot leave you here alone.
Yes.
Look at that, they got a crew person of the month and everything. They go get these McDonald's or McDonald's. The white around your lip. What?
She fell.
Oh my gosh. Come on, let go.
Twinsies.
Twinsies.
Dad, you can't go through that door.
Why not?
No, it has a lock on it.
There's a lock on it. Let me get you right. So we got to go through the drive-thru because the inside is still closed. So that's what we're doing now. So I got my girls here, Sierra. We're going through the drive-thru. I think I'm gonna put my money on Zaxby's, just because I know one of the guy that owns them. Shout out to my boy T. Ellis. But T. Ellis, that's the big homie. That's the big homie. So I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna roll with Zaxby's. So what y'all say? What y'all say?
Zax. Actually, Chick-fil-A.
You think Chick-fil-A? What you think, Tiana? Popeyes? I don't know, man.
They eat Popeyes like every night.
Oh, that's what it is. So you're kind of
No, I just know which one is which.
okay. We gonna see. We gonna see.
I eat some chicken Zaxby's and Popeyes all the time.
Some chicken,
Literally all
Zaxby's,
the
and Popeyes all the time. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Hold on. Tiana, what'd you just say now? Isn't it what?
I said, isn't that kind of suspicious that the ice cream machine is always broken?
That
Because it's always they never clean it.
you don't know that.
Yeah. They're too lazy to change like the.
That is not true. They're not too lazy.
Then why is it always broken?
It's always broken because they get their parts from a place that doesn't do good parts. But it's that's
No, it was because it's broken.
I don't know. We're gonna see.
I think it's broken.
we're gonna see. Tiana said it's suspicious. Suspicious. Suspect. Sierra, you secretly working? You know what, Tiana? The way she be breaking stuff, she probably do come up here at night and be working. Cause you done broke the seatbelt. Just be breaking stuff, dude. How do you?
My leg.
You almost broke Tiana's leg.
That's what she did.
Y'all so silly. Alright, we're gonna get in this line, see what they're talking about.
French fries too.
No, we need French fries from every place, yo. We got Popeyes French fries. That's it. That's it.
And Chick-fil-A ice cream. But
And
where's
chicken,
the
and you got
French
ice
fries
cream.
good?
And Popeyes?
Yeah.
Popeyes makes pretty good French fries.
They're probably too dry.
They're probably
McDonald's are
too-
better than Popeyes.
Oh my gosh. We're not gonna have the French fry contest.
Barbecue.
We're not gonna have the French fry
No,
contest.
barbecue's nasty. Tiana keeps on saying barbecue's good. But it's
Barbecue what?
not. At Chick-fil-A. Barbecue sauce at Chick-fil-A is so nasty.
Oh, you don't do the Polynesian? I do Polynesian at Chick-fil-A. But you know what? Zaxby's already comes with the best sauce on it.
And actually, I eat
Tongue torch, yeah, I eat tongue torch and sweet and spicy. Yo, why is this line so long?
Because it's McDonald's.
Oh my gosh.
That means people shouldn't be happy.
That means they're doing good business though, I guess, huh? It's not like, say what?
That means the ice cream machine is working.
That ice cream machine might be working, Tiana, because the line is longer.
Can we get an ice cream?
No, get out my face.
We already got one.
Bye. All right.
I can tell.
Okay, so what we have here, we have 5 different sandwiches. All right, we got 5 different sandwiches. We got Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Slim Chickens, and we have Zaxby's. Okay, so what's gonna happen is I am going to ask you which one you like better. Okay, so you see where the sandwiches are now. Do you want me to take the sandwiches and put the sandwiches in like one piece of each sandwich in front of you? Nah, you do it one at a time. We'll do it one at a time. All right, hold on for a second. All right, so you guys ready? Mm-hmm. All right, your first sandwich. Cover your eyes. Ready? First sandwich, right there in front of you.
Right here?
Yep, it's to your, there you go, see, there you go, Tiana. Yep,
Can we grab one?
yep, grab a piece.
Oh, gosh. Bite it?
Yep, duh. Sierra, why are you making a mess, dude?
Oh, God.
Okay, so that's sandwich number 1. So on your paper, okay, you tried it? Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys a napkin so you can lay that sandwich down. Hold on a second. I'll give you guys a napkin so you can lay the sandwich down. All right, you got a napkin right in front of you. You have a napkin right in front of you. All right, so that's your first sandwich. So sandwich number 1. All right, now take your mask off. And I want you to write down sandwich number 1. What do you think? Scale of 1 to 10. Scale of 1 to 10. 10 being the best.
You put the name on it?
No, you don't know the name of it. So sandwich number 1. What do you give it? Let's see. Tiana is giving it a score of, what's the score?
Wait, 1 to 10?
Yeah, score 1 to 10. 7? Okay, Sierra, what you got? 7? Okay, write a little box so you can remember what it is. All right, so that's your first sandwich. You like that sandwich, don't you, Tiana?
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's the first sandwich. All right, you ready? Second sandwich. Cover your eyes up. And as you can see, all the sandwiches are set up here. It's the first one that they had. All right, y'all ready?
Mm-hmm.
Second sandwich, right in front of you. There you go. Yep, right there. All right, sandwich number 2. Take your blindfold off. You can take your blindfold off. All right, sandwich number 2. What sandwich do you think it is, and what's the score?
Wait, what sandwich do you think it is?
What sandwich you thought it was? The first sandwich. Which first sandwich you thought it was? Okay. All right. Sandwich number 2. What's the score, and what's the sandwich? I need a score and I need the sandwich name. Score and the sandwich name.
Which one was the one?
That one. All right. So you got it. Sandwich number 2. What score you got? 5. And you gave it a 9. Okay. And what sandwich do you think it is? Okay. All right. All right. Next sandwich.
This sandwich is so good.
Come on, Sierra, hurry up. Next sandwich. Ready? All right. Next sandwich.
That was here.
It's right there. It's right in between you. Yep, right there. Sierra, you're missing the bottom piece of your bread. Yep, you can take the blindfold off. That was sandwich number 3. Sandwich number 3. That's sandwich number 1. That's number 2. All right, what'd you think? Sandwich number 3. What's the score and what's the sandwich?
My score is 3.
You gave that sandwich a 3? Okay.
And I know what
Okay. Okay. All right.
Now this sandwich I got. Oh, God.
Oh, she says, what she said? She said something different. Okay. All right, all right. You ready? All right, blindfolds. Sandwich number 4 coming up. Sandwich number 4. Here we go. Sandwich number 4. Here you go. Sandwich number 4 is in place. Take your pull up, Tiana. All right, sandwich number 4. What do you think? I don't know. I don't know. What sandwich is it? And what's the score? I need a sandwich and I need a score. Yep. I need a sandwich and a score, Tiana. Sandwich and a score. The world is waiting. The world is watching. The world is waiting. The world is watching. I need some water.
Yeah, we have.
So what'd you say number 4 was, Sierra?
Some chicken.
Slim chicken? Okay. Tiana, what'd you say number 4 is?
And it's
Sierra, you just destroyed every daggone thing.
McDonald's.
You think number 4 is McDonald's? Okay.
It's nasty.
It's nasty. So you said number 4 is.
Wait, how much did you give it? 2. Oh.
What'd you give it?
I give it a 6.
A 6?
Actually, wait, why did I give it a 6? I give it a 4.
Give it a 4? Okay. All right. Fix your shirt, Sierra. Stop. All right. Last sandwich. Final sandwich. The sandwich is in place. Tell me what you guys think.
God, it's a big slice. Take it off.
Take it off.
It's so easy. I think this one is McDonald's.
So you got your scores? Which number 20 thought it was? All right. Y'all ready for the big reveal? All right. Let me see what you guys got. See, turn your papers around. Let me see. All right. So, sandwich number 1. You guys said Popeyes. Sandwich number 1 is Popeyes.
Yeah.
You were right.
That's why I was like, okay, this is good. I already knew it. What you put? I put Popeyes.
All right. Ready. What'd you give score? What score did you give Popeyes?
I gave it a 7.
You gave Popeyes a 7? What'd you give Popeyes? What'd you give it?
9.
So you gave Popeyes a 9.
No, I gave
Oh.
Popeyes a 7.
You gave Popeyes a 7? Okay.
Oh, you're telling me.
All right. Sandwich number 2 is Chick-fil-A. What did you give it?
9.
You get Chick-fil-A. What'd you give Chick-fil-A? No, what'd you think it was? You thought it was Zaxby's. Chick-fil-A. What score did you give it? You gave it a 5. Okay. All right. Sandwich number 3. McDonald's. What did you give it? What did you give it? What did you give it?
3.
You gave it a 3?
I gave it a 4.
Give it a 4? Okay, okay. Sandwich number 4 is Slim Chicken. What did you give it?
2.
What did you say it was, Tiana? Sandwich number 4.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Oh, you see? And the last and final sandwich is Zaxby's.
The reason why I knew it was Zaxby's and it tastes like Zaxby's is
Because of the sauce. Okay. What'd you give Zaxby's?
6.
And what'd you give it? A 3? Aww. Okay, so what was your highest scoring sandwich?
Chick-fil-A.
Yours is Popeyes and yours was
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. So we still haven't figured out who has the best sandwich. But you think it's what? Chick-fil-A, and you think it's Popeyes. All right.
The one with mayo on it is nasty.
Why is it nasty?
Because I hate mayo.
You'll be all right.
I don't even know which one. Wait, was it the second one?
All right, so there you have it. The girls have said what they liked. They said what the best sandwich was. Sierra chose Chick-fil-A. Sienna chose Sienna chose Popeyes as her highest score. But even though you still gave Popeyes a 7, if that is your favorite sandwich, why did you give it a 7? Hold on, let me get the camera on you. I need to figure this out. Why did you give it a 7?
It's not my favorite one.
So what's your favorite chicken sandwich?
I don't have one. Wait a
Sierra.
minute.
What?
Hold on.
What?
If there's 2 of these left, why is there one of those?
Oh, I ate that one. I was hungry. Shut your face. All right, here you go. Here's your fries,
Oh, yeah.
and your ice cream is in the refrigerator. And here's a little ketchup. So there you have it. 5 chicken sandwiches, 5 different places. 10-year-old kids judging. One says Popeyes is better. One says Chick-fil-A is better. What do you think?